Hi guys! Grabe, ang galing naman ng nag-art nitong si Apo Wang-od. As you can see guys, chalk lang ang gamit nila pero parang tunay, 'di ba? Hello po kay Sir Carl Angelo Rafael and Clyde Adrel Rafael. Sila po yung mga nag-drawing. May Japanese, may Korean. Galing naman ni Kuya. Wow.
What?
Oh. Ito. It even has my name. Wow, ang gagaling naman nilang mag-drawing. Choco lang yan ah.
Are we going to SM?
Yeah.
So you are?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't see any cosplayers.
Love flowers. Ang galing oh. Can you imagine that?
Baby.
Super galing din naman nila.
Meron din
mag-drawing.
akong best friend. Magaling siya mag-drawing.
Ang galing.
Pero charcoal.
Choco lang yan ah. Oh, ang dami pa oh. Ang galing-galing naman nila. So proud of you guys. Ay.
There are flowers yan.
Tropang ano. Ha? Wala.
Start tweeting. I don't see any cosplayers.
Ang galing naman.
Ito art.
Art daw yan, art.
Ako art.
Yes, art kami.
Hindi, ako lang.